Hello. Now in this video we are learning about the what are the different OOPS concepts are available in the Java programming. So before the Java programming we can use the C programming and the C++. So C programming is basically procedural oriented programming and the C++ is in object oriented programming. So same concept we can follow in the Java also for the object oriented programming. So what are the important concept in OOPS? So first one is class and object, then next encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance and polymorphism. So why we can use the object oriented programming in Java? See, when you want to interact in the real world entity, we need to compulsory using the OOPS concept. So first, what is the object and class? So object means we can say as a it is a basic real time entity that has a property or functions. Class means it is the collection of different type of object. So object is one part of the class. For example, if you are learning in any class, suppose I have a class for the Java programming, so in that class there are number of students, so that student is nothing but object of my class, and that student having different property, different name, different functionality. So these are the important concept is related to the object. Then next term is what is the encapsulation. Encapsulation means it is the wrapping a data into the single unit. For example, if you are going on the college, so we need to take one bag, right? So in that bag there are different like pen, book, water bottle. So we are just encapsulating that different thing into the one bag. Next concept is abstraction. So what is abstraction? This is a very important concept in OOPS. So abstractions means it is known as a data hiding. That means we just need to show the essential information and whatever the background details we need to hide. For example, if you are calling to someone, we just need to focus on the voice, right? We are not focusing about how the voice is coming. So this is known as abstraction. The second example of the abstraction, like if you are going on the ATM machine, so main requirement we just need to press the whatever the pin and just collecting the amount. We are not interact with how the process is internally done in the abstraction. So next is inheritance. Inheritance means so in the inheritance means we can create a new class with the help of previous base class. So basically the use of inheritance is we can say as the code reusability, because same code if I use on the another programming, so there is no need to writing that code again and again. We can use these things with with the help of inheritance. And the last term is polymorphism. Polymorphism means ability to take more than one form. For example, like we can take example of the student. So student can playing the multiple role. When it will be comes into the college, it will behave like a student. When he will be going on the hospital, it behave like as a patient. So that means one person can behave on a different way. This is known as a polymorphism. And same concept we are going to implement in the programming language also. So like same functions we can use on the different ways. So these are the some basic terms which is used in the OOPS of the Java programming, and we are learning that terms in the depth in the one topic in your Java, like one topic for the class and object, one topic for the encapsulation and abstraction.